Can I get Apple TV Plus on Roku? Yes, Apple TV Plus is available on Roku devices, allowing users to stream Apple originals, rent or buy movies, and access their Apple library. The Apple TV app must be installed from the Roku Channel Store and requires an Apple ID for login. 1. Compatible Roku devices. The Apple TV app is supported on most Roku streaming devices and Roku-enabled smart TVs, including Roku Express 3900X and later, Roku Streaming Stick 3600X and later, Roku Ultra 4640X and later, Roku Premier 3920X and later, Roku Smart TVs, TCL, Hisense, etc. Older Roku models may not support the app, so users should check their device compatibility in the Roku settings. 2. Installing the Apple TV app on Roku. Users can download and install Apple TV directly from the Roku Channel Store. If the app is not pre-installed, it must be manually added. 3. Signing in with an Apple ID. To access Apple TV Plus content, users must sign in with an Apple ID. If you don't have an account, you can create one during the setup process. 4. How to install Apple TV Plus on Roku. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Navigate to streaming channels and select the Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Use the search function to find Apple TV. Step 4. Select Apple TV and click Add Channel. Step 5. Open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. 5. Watching Apple TV Plus content. Once installed, users can stream Apple TV Plus originals, rent or buy movies, and access their personal purchases. The app supports 4K HDR streaming on compatible Roku models. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If Apple TV Plus does not work properly on Roku, try these steps. Restart your Roku and reopen the Apple TV app. Update Roku software and the Apple TV app. Sign out and log back into the Apple TV app. Uninstall and reinstall the app if it crashes. 7. Alternative streaming methods. If your Roku device does not support the Apple TV app, you can still watch Apple TV Plus content using screen mirroring from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. External streaming devices like Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Apple TV Plus is fully supported on most Roku devices and can be easily installed from the Roku Channel Store. For unsupported models, external streaming devices or screen mirroring provide alternative ways to access content.